y'all, it's Angel Hawk's Unhinged Creative Plan here. And today I'm going to be doing a spread in my classic vertical catch-all. And I'm going to use Marian Bright, seasonal, and a Paper Studio Agenda 52 sticker book, which has all dates and numbers. So let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to go ahead and white some stuff out. Let's see. Okay, let's start. Okay. Now I can start putting some stickers down. So I have all these like rectangular box stickers, right? Like this. And so what I want to do is kind of lay them down across the center of the page. And I also got some cardstock and punched it with my Happy Planner punch to match the box sizes, and put it behind some of the busy stickers just to give it a little bit more color. So yeah, like that. So then I layered this one. Oh, I think I put that in the wrong place. Let's put these down. There. So that helps me use up some of those rectangular boxes. I'm going to put some glue on this. I forgot to do that before. Some adhesive down so that cardstock sticks. Okay, I've got the centers done. Okay, then I'm going to lay this down over here, a sidebar. Cover up those little bullets. Let me see if I want this to overlap. Yeah. There we go. And then I pulled a December from that date sticker book. And I'm going to lay this down across that line. And this one across the top. And then I pulled this sticker that I can put across the bottom here. Then I'm going to just fill in with some boxes around to give me specific places to write. Let's see, put this here. And this goes on Monday. And this one goes on Wednesday. And I'll have one up at the top for Tuesday. And Thursday and Friday I have the day off, so I'm going to put that in that box. Then I'm going to put this on Christmas. Then I'm going to put this one on the Sunday. No, let's put this one on Friday. The crooked is just a little bit. And then I'll layer it with some mistletoe in a coffee cup. Then I'm going to put a little collage up here. Things that we're going to do those days. Holiday baking and holiday binge movie binge. Let's see. I'm going to put some more mistletoe hanging up here. And I've got a little Christmas cookie that I can put down here. And then I do want something here, and then I want to make the days of the week pop. So I'm going to pull out this days of the week book and see what I can do. I was thinking about adding gold because there's gold in the foiling throughout, and I thought that would be cool. I'm just afraid that they're a little too much. I could white them out and then use these, which are like gold script. So I think I'm going to try that. Let's see if it works. Let's see. I think that looks cute. It brightens them up, but it's not like in your face. There's a little bit of a glare on it, but when the light's not shining on it, it looks okay. Oh, I need to wipe these out. I love this sticker book. It is nothing but days of the week. There's a few months But look at these days. So there's 2 sheets of gold, and then there's all different colors. Here's a full sheet of that one, all different colors. And then there's a black script. And then, let me put this down. There we go. Okay, so black script. And then there's gold. And then there's different colors. And then there's different colored like bar ones. And then there's a couple of sheets of months. And that's where I pulled the December from. And then there's numbers. So you have all different kinds of boxes. And then these are little page flags in different colors. And then different dots, circles. And then small dots, so you could number your whole calendar if you wanted. And then foiled dots. And then some more days with backgrounds. More days. And this last page, yeah. Days with backgrounds. So I've been loving this. I'm using it in my social media planner to redate all the days. Get Sunday and finish this up. So I got it at Hobby Lobby. It's by the Paper Studio. And it's called Agenda 52, Numbers and Days Foiled. I got them on half price at Hobby Lobby. So if you can find them on sale, it's great. And I think that's done. Oh, I need something right there. Let's look. How about one of these? No, I don't like it on that green background since it's clear. You see that green bar underneath it? And that's not very great. How about some candies? I could do that and a couple of little ones. Oops. That's really cute. Yeah. How's that? Good? Not overdone. I used the all my big rectangular boxes, and I think that's good. All right. Thank you for spending some time with me today. Hope you got some inspiration, new ideas, and come back for my next one. I'll be doing my dashboard, my big dashboard layout for the week of Christmas as well. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel yet, do that. I have new content coming out every week, 3 days a week, and all kinds of new ideas for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that you like my content. And until next time, be blessed.